the learnings what we had on as on today 9th March 2023 in Bank Nifty trading. So actually if you see here today morning when I basically trade in 5 minutes of Nifty, right? So here I have used the EMA 20, sorry 20 is this one, and then 200 is this particular orange color line, right? And then if you see here, there is a trend line which is kind of this is the trend line. If you see, I have drawn this, and then this morning the market was, when it opened here, it made a bearish candle, big bearish candle. Let me just highlight here. If you see here, right? And then if you see here, it went down and then it made a pin bar showing that the market will go down, but from here then the market reversed. So when I was observing, I found that there is a head and shoulder pattern. Let me put the candle like this. So if you see here, there is a shoulder and there is a head, and then I thought that okay, this is going to make a shoulder. Now if you see here, it made a small false shoulder, and then many people would have got here, and they would have thought that this is breaking the shoulder, and they would have got out of the trading. But if you see here further, it basically, I kept adding my positions here. I started with one Bank Nifty options, two, three, and then when I saw that it exactly hold here, where yesterday's during closing, if you see, this is the high. Again today's in the market open, this was the high, and it did not break it. From here it made a pin bar and then again a red candle. So this is the very good spot. I added a few more Bank Nifty put, and then I waited peacefully. And then if you see here, the candle basically the market started moving down. Today was expiry, so I was thinking that the market might not go further down or more down, because today's expiry after 2 o'clock. Generally what happens is market starts consolidating, because then we lose out on options premium. So in order to avoid that, what I did is I took the month end, that is March end options, so that I don't have to worry about the deterioration of the option premium, right? Now if you see here, while I was observing and I was sitting, and I spent more time, and then I realized that we can see here a cup and handle formation was also here. Now if you see here, there is a beautiful cup and handle formation. So let me draw it for you, just as a learning. If you see here, see, this is the cup, right? And then if you see, this is generally considered the handle. Okay, and generally what happens, let me form this resistance. If you see here, this is a resistance, here there is a resistance, and I was waiting, if this breaks out, then I would have taken the stop loss, and after consolidating, if the market is going up, then I would have taken a buy position, that is CE. But since from here it rejected, then this was a breakdown of cup and handle. So it is basically not just a continuation pattern, it is also a reversal pattern, if you see. So what I did was, I did not wait for the cup and handle, because if I would have waited, I would have got more profits, but then I was only focusing on head and shoulder format. So now if you see here, the price range from this place to the top of the head, right? The same thing I had from this breakout position. You see, this is the breakout. The market kind of has to come here somewhere, and then there was a 200 period moving average. So since it's a expiry day, almost it was, if you see the time, it is almost 2 o'clock, I got out of the trade. But then if you see the pattern, the head and shoulder pattern, it took the head and shoulder pattern, it went here, and then after this again, this is a learning for all of you as well as me, right? So whether it is expiry or not, right? If the market is giving you profit, you can patiently probably wait by keeping some stop loss here and let the market do what is doing. And when the market is giving money, it's better to wait and take the profits. Well, here, let me share the you see here, the market hit exactly at the bottom of the cup, right? And this is where we should have taken the profit, but it is even more, it is okay since we got this profit. So let me see how many points we roughly made. I entered somewhere here, right? And then I waited for this market to go up, and then because I had that confidence, because this is making cup and handle, and my anticipation was that the market will move up, move down, and at the same time it was forming a head and shoulder. I thought that market will break from here, but if you see, the market went till here, but I was patiently waiting because I knew that there is going to be some kind of a resistance and the market might come down, right? So that was my gut feeling based on my experience. So we made around, let's say, somewhere here we made the entry. So approximately 130, 140 points, right? We made this profit. So now let me share in my kite. Um, so if you see here, we made approximately, where are the orders? Yeah. So orders basically I have taken around, I started accumulating 25, 25 when it was going against me. I started further accumulating because I had the conviction that the market will go down. My total position was 125. I wanted to quit, but at the same time I had some open positions. So then I slowly quit, and end of the market, I quit, and I made a profit of 11,686 today, which is a good profit for 5 lots. Because so what I learned basically is, even if you have smaller lot and if you are patiently waiting, because you are taking smaller lots, you don't have to trade like so many trades. So if you see, today the orders are around 32, out of which there are like 6 order which is like rejected, or something which I took for Tata Power, etc. So there are around 26 orders in total, which is if you see, it is actually 13 orders. So this is a decent trade, not more than basically 10 orders or something you need to take. And today was a good day. My pattern, whatever, I patiently waited, but it was a long wait, very long wait. In fact, from morning till 2 o'clock I was waiting, and then I was able to make this profit. 16th March PE. So I had purchased the 16th March PE rather than today's PE. So let us see this chart, how it behaved. So if you see here, we were somewhere here when we purchased. The market went up and then it came down. I was watching the premium go down, and if you see from here, it gave a fantastic momentum at this point. Yeah, so it was a good profit. So I exited somewhere around here. If you see my previous screen, it will show around 380. So somewhere around 380 I had got out of the position. Of course, market went till 418, but then that is a learning that the cup and handle pattern is very strong and it kind of works.